Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Unifi Protect controllers for better smart camera reliability. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Unifi Protect controllers, first, ensure you have a reliable internet connection. Access your Unifi Protect web interface by entering the controller's IP address in your web. Log in using your admin credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to check for any available updates. Look for a notification or an update icon indicating a new firmware version is available. Click on the update notification to view the release notes and new features. Carefully read through the notes to understand the updates and improvements made. If you decide to proceed, click on the update button to start the process. During the update, do not turn off your device or browser. The controller will automatically download the latest firmware version. Once the download is complete, the installation will begin. Wait for the installation to finish, which may take several minutes. After installation, the system will prompt a reboot to apply the changes. Allow the controller to reboot completely before trying to access the interface again. Once rebooted, log back into the Unifi Protect web interface. Confirm that the update was successful by checking the firmware version in the settings. Test the smart cameras to ensure they are functioning correctly after the update. If any issues arise, consult the Unifi support documentation for troubleshooting potential problems. Regularly checking for updates will help maintain the reliability and performance of your smart cameras. By following these steps, you can ensure your Unifi Protect controllers are up to date. This will enhance the performance and reliability of your smart camera system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.